Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Alfredo sauce thick. Achieving that perfect, rich consistency for your Alfredo sauce is simpler than you might think. We will explore several effective methods, from using common kitchen ingredients to applying easy cooking techniques. By the end, you will have all the knowledge to transform a watery sauce into a beautifully thick and creamy delight, ensuring your pasta dishes are always a hit. Several ingredients can help you achieve a thicker Alfredo sauce. Parmesan cheese is a classic choice. Its starches and fats naturally emulsify, adding richness and body. A roux, a cooked mixture of equal parts butter and flour, provides a robust thickening foundation without altering the flavor significantly. For a rapid fix, a cornstarch slurry works wonders, offering a smooth, glossy finish. Finally, simply reducing the sauce concentrates its natural thickness. To thicken with Parmesan, gradually whisk in about 1/2 cup of finely grated cheese until your sauce reaches the desired consistency. For a roux, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, then whisk in 1 tablespoon of flour, cooking for 1 minute before adding to your sauce. A cornstarch slurry involves mixing 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of cold water, then stirring into the simmering sauce. Reducing means simmering gently over low heat, allowing excess moisture to evaporate. Remember to add any thickening agent gradually, a little at a time, to prevent your sauce from becoming too thick. Constant stirring is crucial to ensure a smooth, lump-free consistency, especially when using a roux or slurry. Always taste your sauce as you go, adjusting seasonings like salt and pepper to perfection. Once your Alfredo sauce reaches that ideal, creamy thickness, serve it immediately to enjoy its best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.